how to screen record on laptop or PC. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record on your laptop or PC without installing any extra apps. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, on your keyboard, press the Windows key Shift and S all at the same time. At the top of your screen, you'll see a small menu appear. Look for the video camera icon and click it. This is the screen recording option. Next, click and drag to select the area of your screen you want to record. Before you start recording, you can enable your microphone if you'd like to capture your voice. At the top, click the microphone icon and make sure it's not muted. You can also choose which mic you want to use. To the right, you'll see an option to include or exclude system audio, so you can decide if you want to record sounds from your computer. When you're ready, press the record button. A countdown will appear and your screen recording will begin. While recording, you'll see a small toolbar at the top with different controls. To stop the recording, click the red square stop button on the toolbar. Finally, go to the top right corner and choose Save. Then pick the folder where you want to keep your recording. That's it. You've successfully recorded your screen. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more helpful tips.